Well, I am out at the beautiful Philip Foster Farm, and I am here with Tom Burnett. And you know, Tom, there's many things that draw us to places we like to go, and we have to say that this is a lilac. It's got a rich history. This is what drew us out here today. So tell me about this lilac.
This lilac came from Maine with the Fosters, Philip Foster and his wife, Mary Charlotte, in 1843.
Wow.
They came by boat and they nursed it all the way around the Horn and brought it to Oregon City where they first settled. It was planted there. Later, 4 years later, they moved out here and it was replanted here, probably 2 or 3 different places. Eventually, when this house was built in 1883, it was planted here. That's 136 years ago that this tree has been standing here.
Well, I have to say, Tom, you know, what I find really fascinating, first of all, that it is still that tree. This is part of that tree that came over so long ago, came here, but that would be something that would be chosen to bring with them. That fascinates me, that this plant was, yeah, we're going to bring our kids and this plant to Oregon.
The Fosters, and they came with the Pettigroves, and they were merchants. And so they brought lots of stuff that a lot of ordinarily people would not bring. And since they came by ship, they probably had a little more room. But it still was pretty unusual to bring a plant by ocean.
Right. It really was. And what I found fascinating once we got out here and started to talking to you and others is it's not only just from the gardening perspective about having a lilac this old, and I hear it's the oldest west of the Mississippi.
That's what we've been told.
Right. But it also has, this place is filled with so much history about Oregon and the people that first settled here. Tell me a little bit about that here.
Well, the Fosters got here in 1847, and one of the things that Foster did was that he built the Barlow Road for Barlow. And so over the years, from 10,000 to 30,000 people on the Oregon Trail stopped here, and this was the first spot that they hit the valley that they were headed for in Oregon.
Wow. And you know, one of the things too that I really wanted to mention was that besides all of that great history, people that come out here, you actually sell starts from this lilac to people if they want to buy it.
Over the years, we've sold over 300 starts from this lilac.
And you keep a record of those people, though.
We keep a record of that, so we know where they are, or at least the address in which people lived when they first bought them.
Wonderful.
And we have more to sell if you would like to come and buy them.
Well, there you have it. So, you know, if you're thinking to yourself, I like history, I love to garden, this is a wonderful place to come out and buy a piece of gardening history for your own yard. For more information, we always encourage you to go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over to their website. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you.
You're quite welcome.